Internal and external overflow. In this session, you will learn about the step-by-step repair process of a cistern overflow, both internal and external. Notice that the cistern overflows both internally and externally. In the external overflow, you can see the water flowing from the side of the cistern, and in the internal overflow, you can see water running into the water closet bowl. This is the problem. Having identified the problem, now gather all the tools that are required to repair this cistern. All you require is a screwdriver to fix this problem. If a screwdriver is unavailable, then you can use a hacksaw blade instead. Let's start repairing. First of all, shut off the water supply to the cistern by closing the angle valve. Then, close the toilet seat and open the lid of the cistern. Tighten the float nut, which is there at the end of the float handle, with a screwdriver by turning it to the right-hand side. If you tighten it, then the water flow decreases, and if you loosen it, then the water flow increases. If the water flow increases, you'll have more water in the cistern than required, and it will overflow. Notice that on tightening the float nut, both the internal and the external overflow has stopped. Finally, close the water closet seat cover and put the lid back on the cistern. We have successfully repaired a cistern overflow.